Hey y'all, Bridget Bartlett here. So today I am going to give you an overview of the high-level affiliate manager, and I'm also going to explain to you a little bit about how the affiliate manager works and give you an overview of kind of what it looks like from your perspective, and then also from your lead or your affiliate's perspective. Now, before I go too deep into this, I did want to explain to you what exactly affiliate marketing is. So affiliate marketing is actually one of my absolute favorite ways of making money online. Of course, you need to choose a good reoccurring product. And if you are the business owner, it's a great way of actually encouraging your happy customers to refer other customers to your business. Okay. So, just to kind of break it down how it works, imagine you're the business owner here and you have all kinds of happy customers and they want to refer your business to their network. Okay, maybe just their friends and family, or maybe their network of business owners or clients. This is a great way of creating those partnerships with other business owners who have a larger network. So imagine that you're the business owner, you have all these happy customers, they want to refer your business, you have an affiliate program. Okay. Once they sign up, then all you need to do, or all they need to do, is share their affiliate link. It has a little special code on it. And then every time someone signs up, they actually earn commission. Okay. So they are promoting your service for their efforts. Of course, they're not getting paid until they actually earn a sale, right? So for their efforts, you are paying them a commission. So you get more sales, they make more money, everybody's happy, everybody wins, right? So let's talk about what this actually looks like here. So inside of HighLevel, you'll see if you go to the marketing tab and you go to the affiliate manager, you'll see that you have this main dashboard here. Okay. Now, what you need to do is create a campaign. To be able to create a campaign, you need to have a offer, obviously, your main business website, and it needs to have a product that needs to be purchased. Okay. Now, if you're looking for a sort of reward system, maybe if they share your free lead magnet or your free community, maybe you want to reward them in some way. That is actually coming. A reward system is coming, but it is not yet available. This is for booked, or I'm sorry, it's for actual sales. Okay. So you'll see here when you create a product, and I already have, or a campaign created. So I'm just going to click in here. You'll see here that you can choose between the funnels, websites, your actual store that you have inside of HighLevel, any forms that you have, surveys, or calendars. What you want to do is, what I want to do is delete this. We'll just create this together. Okay. Because I want to make sure that you understand all of the steps there. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to choose what I want to promote in this affiliate campaign. I'm going to search through here and I'm going to choose the funnel that I want. Of course, this is all built inside of HighLevel, so I don't need to like add code and all that stuff that you typically have to do. Now, when I do pull that in, because I have the domain connected and I have products connected to this funnel, it's pulling in the actual product. Okay. So once I've chosen what I want to actually promote, at this point, I do like to change the name, because I feel like if I move on past this point, I always forget to change the name. So let's just say this one is going to be AI ads, because that's the funnel that I chose. So I changed the name there, and I'm going to go ahead and click next. So here I want to choose the commission that I'm going to offer once this product is sold. Okay. I can offer a flat commission, or I could offer a percentage. So what I'm going to do is choose maybe 30%. Typically 30 to 40% is about average. Any less than that, it's not very motivating to, promote, because you're not earning that much commission unless it's a really high value product. Um, Anything more than that, you're really kind of probably tapping into your profits. Okay. So you want to be strategic when you choose your pricing here. So you'll see, if you want to actually, if I had multiple products inside of this funnel, I could choose a commission per product. So if I had different plans here, like AI ads plan one, maybe I wanted to offer a 30% commission, and then plan two, I wanted to offer 40% commission. You could structure it that way if you chose to. You also have the ability to create up to 7 tiers. So if you tiers would be kind of a little bit like multi-level marketing. So tier 1, like for example, High Level has a 2-tier affiliate marketing or affiliate campaign, right? So when you sign someone up for High Level, you earn 40% commission. If that person sign someone up for High Level, they earn 40% commission, but you also earn 5% commission. So that's how that the multi tiers work. Okay. Now, in this example, I only have one tier, so I'm just going to go ahead and save that. And then we're going to go ahead and click next. Now, here you can create a description of your campaign, and you can assign a user that you have inside of your account to or inside of your affiliate manager, you could assign one of these users here. So if I wanted to assign demo user, now this affiliate is part of this campaign. Okay. Now, if I go to additional settings, you'll see here I can choose to send an email every time I add a new affiliate to this campaign, which you may want to do. You may also want to just add, especially if you have multiple campaigns, you may want to toggle this off and then just send, information about where they can access the portal and see all of their different campaigns. So this email here is at the campaign level. So you could create a custom email here, and this template can be accessed inside of the marketing tab. If you go to templates, you can check that out. You could also edit it right here if you wanted to. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. And then we can choose the cookie life. So how long do we want this to be? Basically, the cookie is the little special code that is attached to your affiliate link. So how long do we want that to be active? Typically people will choose like 90 days, but you can choose up to 365 days. The next thing is we need to figure out what are our terms going to be? How often are we going to pay the commission? Are we going to do that net 15, which is pay on the 15th of the month, the previous month's earnings, net 30, pay the 30th a month on the previous month's earnings, or net 60, pay 60 days later than the previous month's earnings? So again, every business is different. But I will say, typically, a lot of affiliate campaigns will pay out on the 15th of the month for the previous month's earnings. Okay. You can also include setup fees in the commission calculations. And this says include setup fees in the total sales amount and incorporate them into the commissions calculator or calculations. Okay. So if you did have setup fees, you could toggle that on there. Most of us don't have that. So once you get this created, all you want to do is click publish now. Okay, so now you have your affiliate campaign, and we did add that one affiliate to the campaign. Okay, let me check my little note here and make sure that I cover everything with you. Okay, now what we want to do is I showed you how to add the affiliate to that campaign manually here. Okay, now if you wanted to create an automation, we can go into, let's say, we of course can create our own automation here. Um, let this load. And then, of course, if you wanted to trigger, okay, let's search for affiliate. We could trigger a campaign every time an affiliate is created, every time a new sale is created, and then every time an affiliate is enrolled in the campaign. Okay, that can be our triggers there. Now, if we are building this inside of a workflow that we already have created, right? We just maybe want to add the step there. That's why I was saying if you don't want to turn those emails on every single time, you could just build this into your workflow. So here, as a step inside of the workflow, we can add to the affiliate manager, we can update the affiliate, we can add to the affiliate campaign, remove from a campaign, add leads under another affiliate, or add manual sales for an affiliate. We can do all of this as a step inside of the workflow. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you later in the week some different scenarios and ways that you would set all this up. I just want to give you a really good overview of how all of these things work together. Okay. So if I wanted to, if I had, let's go to marketing. And let's go to the affiliate dashboard here. If you see, you can see the main dashboard of your entire campaign or your entire affiliate manager. But if you go into the actual affiliate, okay, your list of affiliates, you'll see here that you have a whole different section, like a whole different dashboard. And this is for this specific affiliate only. Okay. You can edit the affiliate details just by clicking there and update all of this info. You can also look at the numbers for this affiliate based on all campaigns or each individual campaign. You can also add the affiliate to a campaign here in this area. You can see the commission for this specific campaign, or you can see all. You can also see the active referral links here, and you can actually customize this. So, for example, if I wanted this to be a demo user, which really, if this was me, I like to do like my name like this. And then sometimes if it's taken, I'll do like vision, or if it is like the AI ads, I'll do B Bartlett AI ads or something like that because it makes it really easy for me to remember. What's really cool too is that you can also create custom or coupon codes. So if you wanted to create in the in your affiliate system, which this coupon codes are so much better than to at least better to track than cookies because this allows you to know for sure when this person signed up, this is the coupon code, and then of course you can offer a discount. So if Rick was promoting this opportunity here, and I wanted Rick to make sure that he had that one, we're tracking all of Rick's leads, but also I wanted to give Rick's audience a special offer. And I could say, just for Rick's audience, we can generate the code here. If you enter this coupon code, you will save 20%. Okay, so that's kind of how all of that works. And then, of course, you could customize the commission here based on this campaign and this user. Okay. Now, the next thing here is you can see the different commissions. You can see all of the customers' payouts, or I'm sorry, the customers here, the payouts, the payout methods. We do have the ability to add to PayPal. So you can add the the PayPal email address here, but there's also in the client portal, and let's open that up. In the client portal, you'll be able to see the where you would add that as well. So if we go into the commissions, you'll see here that they can add their PayPal account email, and then when you're doing the payouts, it will go to the PayPal account. Okay. So you can see when you give access to the affiliate campaign, it's actually in the client portal. Okay. Now I do have training on the client portal. If you have not set yours up, it's pretty easy to do. But you'll see here inside the client portal, this is where we house the communities, the courses, and you see the affiliate here in the menu. Okay. So this is why I was saying if you're granting access to your affiliate campaigns inside of your client portal, maybe you don't want to have an email for every single campaign, right? Maybe you just want to have this campaign. And of course, they can copy their campaign or their referral link here. They can also change it there and customize it as well. You can add sub affiliates. So if I had 2 tiers here, my affiliate would be able to add sub affiliates here, be able to track all of the leads, all of the commission. And you can even add media if you want to provide resources for your affiliates to be able to promote. It's really cool that you have all of these options just right here inside the client portal. I'm going to close all of this out now. Okay. So the next thing that I wanted to show you is, let's go back here. And actually, I think this is a good place to stop because tomorrow, what I want to do is I want to show you how you would actually create the affiliate campaign for your membership area. Okay, so we're going to talk all about that tomorrow. I just wanted to give you a really good overview here. And before I leave you today, I did want to discuss payouts. Payouts, you can see here when a commission based on your terms is generated. You will see all of the payouts here. You'll see the ones that are approved for payout. You'll see all of the ones that you've already paid out, and then, of course, payout denied. You'll see where you can add media here to the media file, and that's what will show up in that client portal, whatever you add there. And then you do have these settings here, and this is for your entire affiliate management system. Okay, so you could create a welcome email template that will go out. This is also something that I want to show you later this week. You're going to create a custom template here. And of course, this is toggled on, so it will go out. And then this will give them, notify them you've been added to this campaign. And here is your link and all of that. You can choose your default cookie life. So if you want all of your campaigns to be 90 days or whatever, you can set all of that. You can also set your payment terms here. You can choose to include the setup fees and commission calculations, sub affiliate sign up page. So when I said you could create sub affiliates if you had more than one tier, this would actually create a page for your affiliates to be able to sign up sub affiliates for your affiliate program. And then, of course, you can auto enroll new customers as a sub affiliate. All right. Of course, once you get all of that set up, you want to go ahead and save. So we'll get into the details of the automations and setting all of this up tomorrow. Now that you have a really good overview of how it all works together and how you can really drive massive traffic to your offers by having your happy customers refer. And of course, we want to reward them with a commission. If you guys want to sign up for my free community, you can go to myvisionagency.com. That will also automatically enroll you in my affiliate offers that I have available. And you can see here, I have 3 different. This is just what my actual affiliate program looks like. So we have our tools only, which is all of the tools that I'm a reseller of inside of one plan. So whether you're in the free community or a member, if you go to affiliates, you should see this in your membership area. So you can promote all of the tools that we have available, a private consultation with me. So if you, and I get asked this all the time, people want to know if they can book private consultations or refer my private consultations to, whoever is in their network. Of course, you can do that there. And then also, if you would like to refer our reseller program, you have a commission or a affiliate link there as well. So adding this to your members area and your free communities is a great way to drive traffic to your affiliate or to all of your different offers. Okay, so I practice what I preach. So go build your affiliate systems. Thank you all so much for joining me. And I will see you tomorrow. Same time, same place. Go make your vision a reality.